How to provide excellent customer service on Uber. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Providing excellent customer service as an Uber driver can significantly enhance your earnings and reputation. We're talking about points, stars, and much more. Here are some of the tips to help you deliver top-notch service. Firstly, ensure that your vehicle is maintained, which means it should be clean, comfortable, and mechanically sound. This is how it gives you the first impression. Make sure to dress professionally or neatly. Familiarize yourself with routes. You can use navigation apps to plan efficient routes and avoid traffic congestions. Nobody loves a quicker route than the passenger, trust me. So make sure you know some of the shortcut which can deduct some of the time and help your passenger reach the destination on point or beforehand. During the ride, make sure to greet the passengers warmly. Assist with luggage if they have any. Drive safely and responsibly. Avoid sudden brakings or swerving. Also make sure that you engage in conversation. However, it is totally optional. If comfortable, strike up with friendly conversation with passengers. Also, don't forget to express gratitude for their business and invite them to leave a review. Before leaving, check the vehicle for any items that passenger may have forgotten. Make sure to always maintain a positive attitude. And that is how you will get yourself an excellent customer service review from each and every passenger. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.